This one is how to set the length mode, okay? So at first, what you need to do is you need to measure the product, the length of the product, like the maximum length. Let's say we can measure it for like 300 millimeters. So instead of 300 millimeter, you need to put an extra like 30 millimeter for an error. So right here, there is a product length you can see. So I measure the product to be 300 millimeters, but I know that the vegetable is not gonna be the same length. So I put extra 30 for it. So you got press there and put 330, and then you press enter. Okay. Next for the length. So right now you know that the product length is 330. So you can calculate the length by หยิบครีมมาหนึ่ง Okay, let's see. So right now you know that the ceiling width is 10 millimeters due to the machine that you order, right? So 10 millimeter for this side and 10 millimeter for this side gonna be 20 millimeters. So it's gonna be 330 plus 20 millimeter, so a total of 350. And then you need to make sure that there is a room inside the packaging, because you cannot make it fit. You need to make a space for it. So my recommendation is to make a room for about 15 millimeters for both sides. So it's gonna be around like 30. So 350 plus 30 is gonna be like 380. And you can add another 10 millimeters for error. So it's gonna be like 390. See, you can press right here, and then you press 390 and then enter. Okay, right now you have the length of the bag and the product length. Now next is the product position. Product position is the position where the machine gonna cut when detach the product. So let's say right now the length is 330. If you put this one to be 330 to match exact the same length, the machine will cut direct at the product since it detached with the sensor. So you need to make a room for it. So that's my recommendation for the product position. You need to minus for the ceiling width, which is 10 millimeter. So both sides gonna be 20. So 390 minus 20 is gonna be 370, and another extra 5 for error. So it's gonna be 365. Okay, this one is not gonna be fixable. So if you change it and then the machine cut the product or cut not good, you can like move up and down, plus or minus, or you can set right here. Okay, so right now there's all set. You can start the machine right away. So you press start. The machine will do when it detach the product, it will cut to be exact the same size that we set. Okay. Alright. Okay, here's the thing. Right now the product is empty out of conveyor, but it's still stuck in there, see? And you want to make it to cut all the time, all the way. You can press resident pack for it. It will clear out the rest of the product for you that the sensor have detached. Okay, so that is all how to set the machine.